Do you feel like you don't speak enough Filipino? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Anong trabaho mo? Ako ay isang pintor.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Anong trabaho mo?
What do you do?
Ako ay isang pintor.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Anong trabaho mo?
Listen to it again.
Anong trabaho mo? Anong trabaho mo?
This Filipino sentence literally translates into, what is your work? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Ako ay isang.
Your occupation. I'm an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
Ako ay isang pintor. Ako ay isang pintor.
Now, listen to some examples.
Anong trabaho mo? Ako ay isang guro. Anong trabaho mo? Ako ay isang doktor. Anong trabaho mo? Ako ay isang inhinyero.
Listen to the dialogue.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay ayos naman.
Once more with the English translation.
Kumusta ang nanay mo?
How's your mother?
Siya ay ayos naman.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
Kumusta ang nanay mo?
Listen to it again.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Kumusta ang nanay mo?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Siya ay.
state of well-being. But it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Siya ay ayos naman. Siya ay ayos naman.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay mabuti. Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay medyo okay. Kumusta ang nanay mo? Siya ay hindi mabuti.
Listen to the dialogue.
Anong problema?
Mainit ang opisina.
Once more with the English translation.
Anong problema?
What's the matter?
Mainit ang opisina.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's.
Anong problema?
Listen to it again.
Anong problema? Anong problema?
This Filipino sentence literally translates into, what is the problem? But it means, what's the matter in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is adjective.
Ang opisina.
This Filipino sentence literally translates into adjective, the office, but it means the office is adjective in English. For example, the office is hot.
Mainit ang opisina. Mainit ang opisina.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Anong problema? Malamig ang opisina. Anong problema? Maingay ang opisina. Anong problema? Marumi ang opisina.
Listen to the dialogue.
Paano po sasabihin ito?
Ito ay paradahan.
Once more with the English translation.
Paano po sasabihin ito?
How do you say this?
Ito ay paradahan.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Paano po sasabihin ito?
listen to it again.
Paano po sasabihin ito? Paano po sasabihin ito?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Ito ay
word. It's word. For example, it's parking lot.
ito ay paradahan. Ito ay paradahan.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Paano po sasabihin ito?
Ito ay umaga.
Paano po sasabihin ito?
Ito ay paglalakbay.
Paano po sasabihin ito?
Ito ay pananakop.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
Ano ang paborito mong numero? 7 po.
Once more with the English translation.
Ano ang paborito mong numero?
What's your favorite number?
7 po.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
Ano ang paborito mong numero?
listen to it again.
Ano ang paborito mong numero? Ano ang paborito mong numero?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number.
Po.
This Filipino sentence literally translates into number plus po. Po is a word that indicates politeness, but it means it's number. If you're talking with friends or anyone who is the same age or younger, you can just remove it. For example, it's 7.
7 po. 7 po.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Ano ang paborito mong numero? Dalawa po. Ano ang paborito mong numero? 4 po. Ano ang paborito mong numero? 9 po.
Listen to the dialogue.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
Gusto ko ng nakakatakot.
Once more with the English translation.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
What kind of movies do you like?
Gusto ko ng nakakatakot.
I like horror. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
listen to it again.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo? Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Gusto ko ng
type of movie. This Filipino sentence literally translates as, I like a type of movie. But it means, I like type of movie. For example, I like horror.
gusto ko ng nakakatakot. Gusto ko ng nakakatakot.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
Gusto ko ng komedya.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
Gusto ko ng pantasya.
Anong klase ng pelikula ang gusto mo?
Gusto ko ng kwentong pag-ibig.
Listen to the dialogue.
Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa?
Plano kong pumunta sa beach.
Once more with the English translation.
Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa?
What are you doing for Holy Week?
Plano kong pumunta sa beach.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Holy Week? That's,
Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa?
listen to it again.
Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa? Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Plano kong
plan. I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
Plano kong pumunta sa beach. Plano kong pumunta sa beach.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa? Plano kong bumiyahe. Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa? Plano kong maglagi sa bahay. Anong gagawin mo sa Semana Santa? Plano kong manood ng sine.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Opo, sandali lang.
Once more with the English translation.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Opo, sandali lang.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Hello. Hello.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is,
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang
person. This Filipino sentence literally translates as, like I wish, speak with the person. But it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala. Hello. Gusto ko sanang makausap ang namamahala.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Opo, sandali lang.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Opo, sandali lang. Opo, sandali lang.
This Filipino sentence literally translates as, yes, a moment only. But it means, okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
gusto ko sanang makausap ang isang sales representative.
Opo, sandali lang.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang manager.
Opo, sandali lang.
Gusto ko sanang makausap ang customer service.
Opo, sandali lang.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.